munyina kwa babiem emfamra bedwam dwumade so Mpensenpensemu enie bedin de akwasi ensia ebre asawie de se yene Chief Executive Officer Adom Minerals Commission ebetwe enkomo na otwe a etwemu yemamo etiye enkomodi a efa kwan a geological survey for dwumade omudi ntibetimi aboa ama galamsey eswate anaye tuase kora ene yese tuasa enkomo ne so pempen so be ne betimi do be ka kire mo se ampene de galamsey Ghana na tonkwanta ya pai owura martin isi CEO Adom Minerals Commission akwa babiem
sensia
akwa
that's why I shan't see you.
Yes, I share. Now, Chemu, Oma Yehuno, and moi, see a tokoso et tie geological survey for echi. Near Shomo Kutupa, Dumamu Yemua, a bit me a boy ye, Amagalamsey, ye and twice a cra, and no be brass a cra, away ye memo. For a queer chica, na yenti was a Juma potty bear pa, no bait me a dear more mania, a boy Galamsey, how can see. Ano abras and a bit to us here.
I could see me that's it. Was last time Asia me catch on said a day we started in 1989. Womra Council. There are just 4 regions, actually 5. Asante, Eastern, Central, Western, Upper East. To that time, Minerals Commission BB office. Minerals Commission was in existence 3 years before. All because Ghana good, near good, Togo. Almost smoke mewa mrama kwanso be until 1989 balanka ye start ye nanka say every year we are traffic bitu on informal geological survey no mo ye nhwehwem you can say oh okay Asante because say geologist there as a doctor or you moja obetumi say ebia malaria na yare we intikoto edro we bibisa the same thing here. Geologists on himself Osha Bobo we are not rock formation we are a good bit maybe until the young drilling and testing and samples and fan call up and Sunday asking for son of me but baby knows mostly for more exploration. It just said the state and not government. Yeah, I said yes. Fortunately, last time I shared I said oh him dear. I mean, an institution that has a capacity, geological survey. Into 34 years of inaction. Well, there might be 2 years in frame because government, the last 2 years, we've been doing the investigation. Into 32 years, your chances are since 89. And they are now moving from 4, 5 to about 12, 13 regions now. Into UOT, New Volta, New Greater Accra. Practically almost regions now can some kind of some small scale activity goes on. Wow, hey, to see numbers from about 100,000 to almost about 3 million livelihoods. It is not that easy. I mean, so I had some tears here now, but your audience are dear way in so because of the tantimes, the hair. So, pass a see galamsey, you see impact, Then every year, be a say a disika. Geological survey, no investigation of all these blockout areas and Minerals Commission are blocking for small scale. Until we've done, wow, then you will now say, oh, maybe a Kwesi in Cooperative Society, we have 100, Monkoha, Koha. That will stop the haphazard digging. Because you see, we be a try error. Either say, last for now, my assassin, and I will be licensed and you trim. And now be voluntary say men pay biom to say pesos monfa and now small scale man and ankasa say oh look the Minerals Commission me map in moon checking mommy. That's what we are doing now.
And over billions.
Look at the numbers
in a fight against galamsey.
But in so there we can't compromise. Say at least share a same more power bongo dakrupe tinga kolof ahanyina yemom good catch formalization no munya we galamsey but in so no there's nothing like formalization because to me my license say konako to go.
Is there scientific proof which say your course tie geological survey for each year sa kon case bit me edition?
Of course, because you are over 20,000 or so square kilometers of land I are designated as blockout areas. Just say you are blocked to also ahano you farmers small scale for But pass a sorry as you small scale miners, your 20,000 square kilometers of block arteries across Ghana, Monkoho, it will not stop the Galamsey because Osoria or Statiso tour, she near, then he goes back to the concession of the last scale people. And she say, yen as a state, yen fire sika. Wow, so say Joloska so more drill week, but coffee, there's sort of where canis and you started near in Shishim. Oh, Abia this year, you have 10 kilometers of land. You will go to her, Mumbra, Yancha Mamo, Yacha Mamo. You see, then you stop the digging all over. That is it. Fortunately, in the north, no be bring underground. Until on the moon, Sasa, and Usa. Made the pictures be sure you put last week in the hair. Ninya underground. Until at least localize. Tianfan say, be a Moafis, cry this whole place. They just dig one area. And now 2 or 3 places now more for me gangs and yet gangs in terms of criminal but almost groups then they go under Marco far bubono then they bring it crash milk concentrate near momo good catcher near Badwam Mpensenpensemu. That is it. Into no geological investigation serious and ye
okay
by a chance here
okay Galamsey for no so uno mo edin komo concerns ni akwa say ya cha asase na manye bi entimi me tisi mu no aha na mensa so now say ye wie survey ya GS for eye area ye be cha asase
ye be che
obi nsa kwa nkososo bia obesa kwa kotem
o da be we ne be no cooperatives ntinye ntumi mfa ma wo akwesi nsia nko a
okay
nti se mu ye be 500 wa ha e bia ne ama mo be 4 blocks
okay
nya register mo cooperatives nti se community mining ye ntumi mfa ma nko asa adan. So you join the scheme. You join the scheme.
It's a really never for the
there be never for and then from individual.
Okay.
There be a groups. Nti yamfan say rara na bi akopio na geological investigation over 10 square kilometers na young go do 5 or 6 square kilometers. They calculate be benya be 40 concessions because most get 25 acres. Nti yakam so okay. Yeah, more forming groups. Okay, akwesi mensa enterprise. Come here, ubedibi. Ne ya mamu. Inti ha, ebia nipa be 100 guha, nipa be 40 guha, nipa be 30 guha. But you cannot give it to one individual.
As Chief Executive Officer, Minerals Commission, Otuona say Galamsey koso baby. You know, say menyawe. Abanem sinisi wenyawe. Ya na yo mama.
Yeah, me want because you see, ba mikro menea. The moment you land you are already, I'm almost all your whole.
Same year, who's 20?
Yes, if you are just passing through and now, what be here and I be beside.
Okay.
Wow. Until within 2-3 days, if you are not living with, will be a free crew and I be beside, they know straight away. Excavator, did it pass through the sky and I spirit? Excavator, a spirit. I like, yeah, wow, Nigerian film now, be phobia, be PA. Now I hear baby excavator and your spirit into a far baby.
Okay.
Now, on say village in Kofodo. Yeah. And I'm a plan now, Chrissy Men's and Alcab Najak, or me whom be bisa. Hey, me who say obedient, if you did be rare, Quabna Mensa, a food, a chi horse, and a baby on my dog, Kona Bibisa. So I try a day or two. Well, it will take, I don't know, the whole Ghana to convince me, say, Ohina Otihono, assemblyman, local authorities, you don't know about this. It's not possible.
Man for more money about that.
Oh. Yeah, normally officers almost call around and say, this is officers, be our car. Will be our pickup. They'll get to know. Acha, within 1 week, you get to know, say, illegal operations is going on. Now, say, even baby, a chromophobia, I didn't want to cry still. You know.
It's a bit to me about say, if people may compromise you or more.
Let me make this clear.
Okay.
When you say now, we can let me make this clear. And yet possible. Say Galamsey will be going on in any area in Ghana. The chief, assemblyman, or local authorities will say, I'm not aware. And I mean, Nimhoshi. And then, in Patamon, say, you're assemblyman. At at least there's somebody in the village who will say, oh, na mahunsen kofobi di bibia raha. They'll confront you. They will even like to find out. So I remember, yen check is all krata na bibisa. Because you see, quite classic crap, who start your own say no. Obi a cut up on yes idea way. Well, I am be so. Oh, how many petition beba na bibisa.
Yes, be pretty beaty him for no.
Now, what are the on crown a chromo? What about that one too? You see, it is very difficult. A week, 2-3 weeks. Then you say minimum assembly member, local authorities, and I said you police crowd there and say be barracks. What about the local authority? What about the chief? It is very difficult. Men did that.
Assembly fire hunting you won't cry you.
And say baby all quiet, everybody is doing it.
Okay. Tiabe no.
Obiaye from Mohini to Obia Korai I wouldn't Obia to Ashemo. Okay, I said, was it 3, 4, 5 years ago? Room of by say, good appeal. Is it Elmina Beach and a beach visa? Obia Janin Kohon, and Manu Crow, Obia Costa Pan, Lagoon Bisa. That is it. There's something that we need to understand. Apart from the fact that you are geological investigation over the years, and I didn't mirrors to see, Look, your attitude. Yeah, Ghana for your attitude. I can't. Galamsey issue now, which is not going away easily. But the mammy, and in so many years, I'm going to be down on that, Sebio, a trick or not echo a punum. Be very handed, baby. It's a big year numbers. Discourage it. Because then that means that the more good catchers you depend, the less people use metal.
But more discouraging. Yes, I'm in
Oh, Mercury, the young for sent we don't know. The only young concern said, and then California nervous problems. True. It's all over this decades use of mercury. But I bet you, as we give more gold catcher, they'll stop using it. Say, okay, bongo, I'm using mercury.
When the crab mercury.
For responsible mining. Wow, because now say your TTTC report we say maybe any amount gold catcher say me no say 4 but me crop on your more by 5 because it's a big area numbers no doors. And the more areas you learn, some of the small scale miners so ABGB into ya near ya no kakra no mutia kakra because you see don't look at the cost of the gold catcher, the implications of continuous use of mercury effect no body no mean so ni animal no far so ni animal no far outweigh whatever sika obebo gold catcher. Yes, because you see, I mean, one thing now everybody will have kidney, liver. I don't know. You would be a doctor. What those things can do. To be quiet, I say, it is a gold catcher. $1 billion. I say, the mom. But how do you stop the use of mercury? Because Minimata said, take steps to reduce the use of mercury. Wow. I feel so. Apart from supplying mercury-free machine, gold catcher, no, geological investigation, which is medium to long term, no. I could see sanctions regime are very punitive. Minimum year 15, maximum 25. Year option of a fine, because those who find no pay or no much no come baby, then they go back to the water body. So see, say a punish you. The hard truth is that we need to see people being punished, getting involved in illegal mining. But you see, there are boys, and sometimes it's so more. But at least he said, "You're Musa now, innocent guy, Nyakofano, no akɔhyɛ excavator mu na whatever na bɛkyi at least it's a deterrent to awofo no say look don't allow your children to go and do this thing. Okay. But time aso sɛ barons no kingpins it's more different unit. ABC counter-terrorism. Until maybe be a time also say there was some special intelligence unit be within the intelligence service trained specially to just go after these barons.
Obi abondi Ghana be o galamsem say oni honfo. Obi so innocent. Many be a abondi din be from day one be pemne. So innocent.
Oh, that's a ho. Akwesi. Mean to me insurance and catches a crown for. Yeah. You risk being sued. Once and cophobia, court and all those things. So it's your word against my word. But at least now saying or dance some J. Yet your hinny Yemenis phobia. Your mom will be still the case is going on.
We ain't in for go or something. Pay mine and crown.
That's fine. You force you. It's okay.
Or mine mocha.
It's okay.
Or mine mocha.
Oh, there be. So you're 100%. It's fine. Yes, but that's okay.
And Fanny,
and your baby,
I also quabrane, sorry, general so 70. Men penema.
Oh, no.
And also,
who did that? Young fancy, I won't go to Rara. And I will accuracy in Siaba. So, why a process in ya? I say, of course, be Rara man. See, Baba said, be the same continue. Young fancy, say, me, even me, Minas Commission, I best say, me. Well, and found some me a CEO. It said, me friend, me elders, and tell them, say, ah, well, I buy the cat and be about so be anxious for good. See. I couldn't bet me, I can so with the pet. They can oppose it. There's nothing you can do. Maybe you can dialogue and say, what is the reason? But what can you do?
And do support it, or he be your because but they pay mine.
Oh, no, it depends on his reasons. Down to me enforce it. Men pene, say me baba wario. Mo kona mo cause she also baby and baby say, it's okay, no problems, no. It's fine. Because to me enforce it. Wow, you need a consent and a blessing. You have to be social alliances of the community to come and work. If the community says, oh, yeah, what can you do? There be a Kwawu area or whatever, almost or Subin or Subin or whatever. No more someone there, what can you do?
If you want to share, I see.
Not necessarily be at your name at time or moving into ya. Oh, yeah. This is a name as okay. As you say, I'll move by so we one proud, one cobra, one thing, one tunnel, and pass our. The people say, now my mining and then my. So people have different reasons, but that is it. I saw you more engagement.
And only idea Minerals Commission eggs.
Oh yeah, but in Kofobe be opposing mining, but with continuous engagement, Matthias here. Or any be or I'm for the baby, all the cat and no basa, they say no train, confirm Minerals Commission for brands. Oh, to see on me a pa, body be a. If you just said there was a paramount chief with me, came and said, no, what the cat I be about me, young officers, no man, children. So, Nana, Baba, that is the next step. I saw my date. If you are date and confirm Kofu and all those nearby around. So, we do that a lot. But as a nation, as a society, super. You see, practically the whole town is involved. I said some time ago, you or him said no to Nifi. So, any brother in law, na sir. That is it. Impunity is one. It's a man called jailer, and I am punishing woman now. Then you are telling the next chief in town, hey, so na say town be on him, or I can say, and then you watch it. It's free for all. It's a say, but some chiefs are lovely, fighting against Galamsey. Into geological investigation. supply of mercury-free machine, enforcement by the security officer. And say, "Onim, you can flash your move on so no sana. 3-4 months, okay, then they are back." And say, "See, the only solution is sustained effort. Flash your man now, because someone near man not destroy BBR. If you are about 2 weeks and actually 1 month, that's all come back. And sometimes you go and the military people go there as a show of force. Which about 3 months will be back. But I'll come here for excavator 2. Also, I'll come here for another one. Tibiano, I'll come back about $500,000 to $1 million. If you come excavator, no go free. Wow, anybody know how? Then they move elsewhere. Make I pass me officer now Asankragwa or see Ganamsi a coffin kakra or that area. Let say, hey, really? What's the reason? I say, security for no how to do. It is you'll be a balance. Well, then they move to other areas, and now they move to maybe some other place. Or something. All of a sudden, we won't say, baby, cry numbers not those. Well, I'm funny say, police for the operations or be to look for armed robbers, and now I'm funny say crime is rampant here. Nobody will come around. Yeah. They will move to other areas and go and rob. But that is it. But I idea I assume here a bit me solve unemployment heavily.
Small scale sector.
Oh yes. And a ban and yeah, idea say abuse. Why?
We shouldn't ban small scale.
3 million on my coin. Livelihood is at stake here. I'm not supporting Galamsey. Akwesi, who call typical a man does or small scale than a man. Do you know that? Who call typical small scale site? Okay, one. Now more Boli, Bongo, Tinga, Dakrupe, any Bongo. Now they are doing it lawfully. Omoko underground, Omo good catcher. Into sister or infant says sorry or said you're a 2 near. The other sister and to me worry no. Wako worry if you be one ye ain't no bianco. What is a Korea subine? Or being mining, best small scale miner 2 years ago. Japa. Mr. Bean and mining the same place, maybe or a rock on no social responsibility or over 10 years now. Or ni crater or permit be responsible mining. Fair, yaman good catcher. Why should you? Because